This short video is about connecting your local files. You can only connect your local files only through the ASTODI Desktop App. So, for using the Desktop app, you have to download it first in the browser app by simply clicking here. You can choose from two operating systems, the OS X or the Windows. So once you download it successfully, you have to open it. And when you open it, its interface is absolutely the same as in the browser app. So your desktop app is already running, and now you have to simply drag and drop your local files to the file browser into the project selected. What is local file? Every file stored on your local drive. For example, hard drives, external hard drives like pen drive, SSD or any kind of memory card, or any kind of server too. So why the desktop app is so great? Because you cannot only use your local files here, but also your cloud-based files too. ASTODI, be organized, be efficient.